Hi everyone, my name is Denise Shesback-Moore and I'm with howcraftcollection.com. Welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my Starry Sky earrings. These earrings are created using howcraftcollection.com metal beads. These beads were just added to the website, glass beads, and sodalite beads. The tools needed to create this project are round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, wire cutters, and we need 22 gauge wire. Let's talk a minute about choosing your sodalite teeth. Howcraftcollection.com calls them teeth or spikes. You want to go through first and find 5 teeth that are longer in the center and go shorter on the sides. And you want to have 2 different sets of these teeth so that they match up on your earrings. We are going to cut a 7.5 inch length of 22 gauge wire. We're just going to kind of bend it slightly. And I like to string from the center out. So we are going to string our sodalite spike or tooth, a size 3 crimp bead or a size 2 spacer bead, and then another sodalite tooth, spacer bead, sodalite tooth, spacer bead. Now I'm going to switch to the other side because I always start from the center. So we have the spacer bead, the sodalite tooth, spacer bead, sodalite tooth, spacer bead. I'm going to move that to the center. Go to the other side. We are going to string 1 6mm sodalite round on each side. And then we're going to string 6 Montana dark blue faceted glass beads. Ugh, where's that hole? On each side. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll just flip that around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here we have the bottom part, the centerpiece of our earring. So this piece right here is going to form this oval. Okay, so now we have our beads at the center, and we're just going to bring them together. We'll come back and straighten everything out later. And we're just going to bring them together. And then using our round nose pliers, we're going to make a bend. Now, after I make that bend, I'm going to move the beads to make sure they're snug. Okay, so they're snug. And then we're going to bend the other side. And we're going to bring the wires together. And we're going to grab our antique silver tone heart filigree lentil. And we're going to string both of those wires up through the center and bring it down. And we want to make sure we're holding it and it's nice and tight. And we're going to take one of the wires. And I like to do this to start off with my fingers. And we're going to wrap it around. And then we're going to grab our chain nose pliers. And we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to squish that down. And we're going to trim that end. Now we're going to come back in with our chain nose pliers. We're going to lightly tap that down. And then we're going to string a 6mm sodalite bead. And now we're going to form a wrapped loop. So we're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. We're going to line it up. And then we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to take it off there. Trim that little end. We're going to straighten out our loop. We want our loop to be facing forward. So now we can come back in right now and check the oval. Looks pretty good. So we'll set that down. And we're going to grab our ear wire. And ear wires are opened and closed just like a jump ring. We don't want to pull them apart. So we're going to open that ear wire, attach the earring, and then we're going to close that ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my starry sky earrings. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for all your beading needs. Follow us on Instagram at howcraftcollectionbeads. We have a YouTube channel, Howcraft USA, with a bunch of fun DIY projects. Visit the website, howcraftcollection.com. And I hope you have a great day.